Hello all, welcome to my channel and this is Karthik studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering CSE AI branch. So today we are going to discuss about hybrid systems mainly. So what are hybrid systems? A hybrid system is an intelligent system that is framed by combining at least two intelligent technologies like fuzzy logic, neural networks, genetic algorithms, reinforcement learning, etc. The combination of different techniques in one computational model makes these systems possess an extended range of capabilities. These systems are capable of reasoning and learning in an uncertain and imprecise environment. These systems can provide human like expertise in domain knowledge, adaptation, and noisy environments. These are known as hybrid systems. If one or more systems gets combined, then it is generally called as an hybrid systems. So the systems that could be combined are reinforcement learning models and genetic algorithms, neural networks, and physiologic. If these intelligent technologies like physiologic and other technologies combined, so that system is known as hybrid system. So, so how many types of hybrid systems are there? So there are mainly three types of hybrid system. The first one is the neurophysi hybrid system, and the second one is neurogenetic hybrid system, and the third one is physigenetic hybrid system. So these are the three main types of hybrid systems that are there in the subject. So what are neurophysi hybrid systems? So the neurophysi system is based on physi system which is trained on the basis of working of neural networks theory. The learning process operates only on the local information and the causes only local changes in the underlying physi system. A neurophysi system can be seen as a three-layer feed-forward network. The first layer represents the input variables, the middle layer represents fuzzy rules, and the third layer represents output variables. Fuzzy sets are encoded as connection weights within the layers of the network, which provides functionality in the processing and training the model. This is the neurofuzzy hybrid system, and the second one is the you can see the working flow of an neurofuzzy neural network over here. In the input layer, each neuron transmits external crisp signals directed by the next layer. Each specification neuron receives a crisp input and determines the degree to which the input belongs to the input fuzzy set. The fuzzy rule layer receives neurons that represents the fuzzy sets. An output neuron combines all the inputs using fuzzy operation union. Each defuzzification neuron represents the single output of the neurofuzzy system. So the applications of this are student modeling, medical systems, traffic control systems, and forecasting and predictions. These are the main applications that are involved in this model. So, and what are the advantages of this model? It can handle numeric, linguistic, logic, etc. kind of information. It can manage imprecise, partial, vague, and imperfect information. It can resolve conflicts by collaboration and aggregation. It has self-learning, self-organizing, and self-tuning capabilities. It can mimic the human decision-making process. So these are the advantages of this model, and the disadvantages of this are hard to develop a model from a fuzzy system. Problems of finding suitable membership values for fuzzy systems. Neural networks cannot be used if the training dataset is not available. So these are the main disadvantages of using this system. So and the neurogenetic hybrid systems. This is the another type in the this subject. So the neurogenetic hybrid system is a system that combines neural networks which are capable of learn various tasks from examples, classify objects, and establish relations between them, and the genetic algorithm, which serves important search and optimization techniques. Genetic algorithms can be used to improve the performance of neural networks, and they can be used to decide the connection weights of the inputs. These algorithms can also be used for topology selection and training networks. So, on the working flow is given here. So, GA repeatedly modifies a population of individual solutions. GA uses three main types of rules at each step to create the next generation from the current population. So there are three types of steps. The first one is a selection, and the second one is a crossover, and third one is a mutation. So selection to select the individuals called parents that contribute to the population of next generation. Crossover to combine the parents from the children for the next generation. mutation to apply random changes to the individual parents in order to form children. GA then sends new child generation to ANN model as a new input parameter. Finally, calculating the fitness by developed ANN model is performed. So the applications of this are face recognition, DNA matching, animal and human research, and behavioral systems. So the advantages are given here. Is used for the topology optimization, that is to select the number of hidden layers, number of hidden nodes, and the interconnection pattern for ANN. In GS, the learning of an ANN is formulated as a weight optimization problem, usually using the inverse mean squared error as a fitness measure. Control parameters such as learning rate, momentum rate, for tolerance rate, etc. are also be optimized. It can mimic the human decision making process. So the disadvantages are high complex system. The actual accuracy of the system is dependent on the initial process. Maintenance costs are very high. So these are the disadvantages. And the third type in this is known as fuzzy genetic hybrid systems. So the fuzzy genetic hybrid system is developed to use fuzzy logic based technique for improving and modeling genetic algorithm and vice versa. Genetic algorithm has proved to be robust and efficient tool to perform tasks such as generation of fuzzy rule based, generation of membership function, etc. These approaches that can be used to develop a system are McKagan approach and the Pittsburgh approach and IRL approach. So these are the main three approaches, and the workflow is given here. Start with an initial population of solutions that represents the first generation. Feed each chromosome from the population into the fuzzy logic controller and compute performance index. Create a new generation using evaluation operators till some condition is met. So the applications are mechanical engineering, electric engine, artificial intelligence, and economics. So the advantages are GS are used to develop best set of rules to be used by the fuzzy interference engine. GS are used to optimize the choice of membership functions. A fuzzy GA is directed random search over all discrete fuzzy subsets. It can mimic the human decision making process. These are the advantages, and the disadvantages are interpretation of results is difficult to build membership values and rules, takes lots of time to converge. These are the disadvantages. And thank you. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.